Hi, I'm Alexis Taylor, Director at the Oregon Department of Agriculture. Welcome to a day in the life of ODA, using good bugs to kill bad weeds. Today, you'll see how we use biological controls to battle invasive plants that threaten Oregon's agriculture and natural resources.
The Oregon Department of Agriculture has been a national leader in using beneficial insects in the war against noxious weeds. Tansy ragwort was considered the scourge of the 70s, the poisonous plant with bright yellow flowers annually causing millions of dollars in livestock losses before ODA launched a 1-2 punch of biological control.
The Oregon Department of Agriculture's noxious weed program's biocontrol of tansy really kicked into full gear in about 1974 when we began actively redistributing the cinnabar moth larvae, that distinctive black and yellow larvae that many people have seen feeding on tansy, and a tiny little flea beetle that not many people have seen at all.
ODA's Integrated Weed Management Coordinator Beth Myers-Chennai says tansy is still around, but naturally controlled by the good bugs. More than 77 biocontrol agents are used to deal with many of the 130 or so listed noxious weeds in Oregon. Other successful projects include the tiny Galarosella beetle, which can be seen damaging leaves of purple loosestrife, a weed that outcompetes native plant species. A seed fly has been effective against diffuse knapweed, a gall wasp on Russian knapweed. 6 ODA regional weed specialists don't just work on biocontrol projects, but also coordinate with other programs and agencies to battle noxious weeds and offer expertise.
We'd like to prevent invasive plants from becoming issues like tansy as much as possible, so that's where our staff really focuses on early detection and then rapid response on those early, small amounts of newly discovered noxious weeds.
Biological control, mowing, hand pulling, and targeted use of herbicides are all part of the toolbox for ODA. Treating aquatic weeds, such as water primrose, has become a special priority for ODA.
We're also trying to protect Oregon's economy and ecological resources from invasive noxious weeds. So economic impacts can include rangeland, forest lands, croplands, recreation can be impacted by noxious weeds. And also, we're trying to protect the biodiversity. We don't want a monoculture of just one noxious weed. We want to keep a healthy, biodiverse landscape that supports clean air, clean water, and healthy wildlife populations.
The war on invasive weeds continues, but it's good to know that ODA and its partners are out there doing battle every day.
Thank you for taking time to see a little bit of what the Oregon Department of Agriculture does for you every day. I hope you continue to learn and appreciate the services our dedicated folks provide for all Oregonians. Goodbye for now.